They dragged her through the streets, tears on her face, dust on her skin. A crowd gathered not to comfort her, but to condemn her. She had sinned. Everyone knew it, and in their eyes, she didn't deserve mercy. But standing in that circle was Jesus, and everything was about to change. It was early morning in Jerusalem. Jesus was teaching at the temple when a group of religious leaders interrupted him. They brought a woman caught in the very act of adultery. They threw her down in front of everyone. And they said to Jesus, "Teacher, the law says she should be stoned. What do you say?" They weren't just testing her. They were testing him. The crowd waited. The air was thick with judgment. All eyes on Jesus. But Jesus didn't shout. He didn't rush to defend or accuse. He stooped down and began to write in the dust. No one knows what he wrote. Maybe the sins of those standing there. Maybe their names. Maybe just silence made visible. And when they kept demanding an answer, Jesus stood up and said, "Let the one among you who is without sin be the first to throw a stone." Silence! Then one by one, the stones began to drop. Older men first, then younger ones, until only Jesus was left. The woman stood there, trembling. She was ready for rejection, but instead, she heard these words, "Woman, where are they? Has no one condemned you?" She whispered, "No one, Lord." And Jesus said, "Then neither do I condemn you. Go now and leave your life of sin." He didn't ignore her past. He redeemed it. That's grace, not a permission slip, but a second chance, a hand that lifts instead of a finger that points. We live in a world quick to throw stones, but Jesus still kneels beside the broken. You're not too far gone, not too stained, not too late. His grace still whispers the same words today. Neither do I condemn you. Because grace doesn't deny truth, it transforms it. This is Strive for Excellence, where ancient stories reveal timeless truths. If this story touched your heart, like, share, and subscribe. And remember, you're never beyond His grace.